everyone. If we look at people in this room, we will notice that we all look different, right? But you know what? We all share about 99% of DNA or identity. Technically speaking, we have about the same DNA, but we look totally different. How is that? Also the same way in plants. If you look at just only one plant, plants have so many organs, and in each organ there are the smallest unit of life, or we call cell. Inside of the cell there is DNA, which is a long molecule. We can divide this molecule into the smaller units, or we call gene, or kind of like program of the DNA. Interestingly, almost all cells of the plants have exactly the same DNA, but they can function differently. For example, cells in leaves and cells in stems, they both have the wood production gene, but this gene can only function in stem, not in the leaf. This leads to our research question: how can the same DNA function differently? There are so many mechanisms, there are many possible mechanisms. The one that we are interested in is microRNA. Because when DNA will produce protein, or what we call gene expression, DNA will have to produce RNA first, including microRNA, and microRNA can either enhance or decrease the protein production. And why we are interested in Epopla? Department of Energy and our research group are interested in buffer tree because it's a tree that can grow very fast, and we can use its wood to produce biofuel. Why biofuel is so important? We all drive a car, and do you use water or gas to make car running? Of course, you need gas to make car running, right? But nowadays, gas is just getting expensive because of higher supply but lower demand from petroleum. So biofuel is an alternative energy for us nowadays. And for our research, we are trying to figure out what is the mechanism, what is the controller to regulate the wood production in buffer. So if we know that, we can engineer the buffer tree that can produce more wood, and then we can use those wood to produce biofuel with a lower cost. This is overview about my research. I hope you learned something today. Thank you.